So if you're sitting there frustrated because your Mac just refuses to detect your printer, watch this video till the end. In this video, I've got 2 quick and easy methods that'll have your printer up and detected in no time. And if you get stuck at any point of time, our printers expert are standing by. Just call up the numbers showing on the screen. Now, let's go ahead and get this sorted out. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Restart your device. First, go ahead and press the power button to turn off your printer. If the printer doesn't turn off, no problem. Just disconnect the power cord from the back of the printer, then unplug it from the wall outlet. Once that's done, wait for about 60 seconds. And yes, while you're waiting, please hit the subscribe button so you never miss our helpful tips and tutorials like this. Now, plug the power cord back into the wall outlet first, then plug it back into your printer. Press the power button to turn on your printer. Once your printer is up and running, head over to your Mac and click on the Apple icon in the upper left corner. From the menu that appears, select Restart to reboot your Mac. Now, if restarting your device didn't solve the issue, try the second method where we'll reset the printing system. Method 2. Reset the printing system. On your Mac, click on the Spotlight search icon, type Printers and Scanners and open it. Now, Control-click anywhere in the printer list, then select Reset Printing System from the menu that appears. A confirmation window will show up. Just click on Reset to confirm. Once that's done, turn off your printer and turn it back on. Return to the Printers and Scanners window and click on Add a Printer. Select your printer from the list and click on Add. Wait a while and let your Mac set up your printer. Once it's done, you should be good to go. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.